Today I'll show you 2 ways on how to animate text here in DaVinci Resolve. And we're starting right now. So how do you add text in DaVinci Resolve? To do so, all you need to do is to head over to Effects Library and go to this toolbox right here and then select Titles. And there you'll see a couple of pre-animated titles, but for this video I'll just be picking the basic title because we will be animating this from scratch. Now, if you want to edit it, you have to go to Title and set out the basic parameters. You can change the color, the font, the stroke, animation. Let's animate it. Now there are 2 ways on how to animate it. The first method is to simply go to Video Transition and pick any transition you like. In this case, I want a push transition. And that's basically it. Now the second method is much more complicated, but it gives you full control of all the parameters. So to do so, all you need to do is to click your text, make sure that inspector is enabled, go ahead to settings, and you'll see this transform right here, make sure that's toggled on. And you'll see these parameters. You have the zoom, position, rotation angle, anchor point, pitch, yaw, and flip. But we'll focus on position and zoom, because for this case, I want to make a push animation to the text. So to simply do that, all I need to do is to toggle on the keyframe on this and drag the parameter of the position until the text is out of frame. Then move a couple of frames, there we go, and then drag the position, the X position parameter until the text is visible, and you'll end up with this. There we go. And that is how you animate text in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more, make sure to click the like and subscribe. That is all for today, guys. Stay creative.